Should voters authorize California to borrow $10 billion to help expand, renovate, and modernize public schools and community colleges? Or should they say no to adding to the state's existing $78 billion debt? It's up to you to decide. I'm Gemma Nazarelli, a student researcher at the Rose Institute of State and Local Government, with a nonpartisan analysis of Proposition 2, the measure to authorize a $10 billion school bond. Bonds are a way the state borrows money to finance building projects. Through its school facilities program, California uses state bond money to match local funding to help school districts and community colleges update and improve their facilities. The program's funds are running out, so voters must decide whether to approve new borrowing. Prop 2 would provide $10 billion to school districts and community colleges for building projects. Public schools would get most of the money, and community colleges would get the rest. Prop 2 includes provisions to promote equity by providing more state funding for poorer districts. The California Legislative Analyst's Office estimates that it would cost the state about $500 million per year for 35 years to repay the bond. Proponents argue that Prop 2 would help improve outdated school facilities, enhancing the student learning environment. Additionally, they say the measure would preserve local control by requiring local officials to approve all of the spending. They also point to the measure's commitment to equity. Some opponents argue that Prop 2 provides too much funding to wealthy districts and not enough to poorer districts. Others argue that Prop 2 would do nothing to improve child learning outcomes and could lead to higher property taxes, as it requires a local match to receive funding. California already owes $78 billion to big banks and investors, and Prop 2 would add another $10 billion in debt at a time when enrollments are declining. In summary, a yes vote for Proposition 2 would authorize the state to borrow $10 billion to improve K-12 public schools and community college facilities. It would also increase state matching funds. A no vote would not authorize another $10 billion in loans, which could result in the school facilities program running out of funds. So, what do you think? How will you vote on Prop 2? Go to roseinstitute.org for more information.